The FedEx guy literally just showed up to my front door and he just delivered this. So let's get into this, shall we? It's a bit dangerous doing it this way. Oh, we're good. Alright. I ordered this engine from trains.com off of eBay. There we go. In case you were interested. Alright, now the model is in here. Let's see. There it is. Sorry if I'm blocking the camera. And it's in this massive box. Alright, move this one out of the way and we'll get to it. Well, I forgot how big AHM boxes are, so alright, let's remove this rubber band. These things are fun to play with, by the way. Let's see. This box is actually in very good condition. Didn't expect it to be that good. Yeah, okay. Yep, there's the flap. Alright. Alright, here we go. Oh, hello. It even comes with something that I sort of always wanted. This is really nice. I love that. I love this a lot. I don't know why, I just do. Now let's look at the engine. Wow. Here she is. The blue Comet, and this time, this one has a boiler front. I am so happy it does. It's the AHM era, as you can tell by the cab-mounted motor. But yeah. This one looks way, way better than the last one. Already. 1,000,000 times better. There's a small scuff right here, probably from the paint from the... Where... Did I just rub that off? Oh no, I just rubbed it off. You can't see it, but... Huh. Wow. Yeah, let's look at the tender. This thing is in very nice condition. More beautiful condition than the previous one that I looked at. And again, this is the help of Go Burn Uppers Trains for helping me find this awesome locomotive. So yeah. Will, thank you so much for helping me find this engine. I cannot appreciate it enough, man. Alright. And I did not expect it for it to come with this. I actually really like this. I'd love to know what to do with this. I really, really love it. I've always wanted a Rivarossi engine that comes with this. It's so cool. Love that a lot. Alright, now let's see if this thing will run. Please run. I think it will. Alright, I am already enjoying this. Tender rolls so nicely. Alright, enough of that. Get the Comet on. Alright, now couple it up to the tender. There we go. That little wire on the tender may not be connecting properly, so I will try to do something about that. I think something came off here. Oh well. If it runs alright, I'll fix it. Alright, let me get a better angle at this. Alright, there it is. Now, if this thing runs, it is definitely going to be a keeper. Alright, let's watch it move. 3, 2, 1. Opening up the regulator. That didn't sound good. Is that smoke? You can't be for real. Oh no. Well guys, I'm not sure what to do at this point, but yeah, it's been roughly around I'd say 20 minutes to collect myself. I feel like every time I go through bad luck when I buy a Rivarossi engine or something like that. But I'm not gonna send this thing back. I'm gonna see what I can do with it. I'm just gonna ask the seller for a partial refund. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.